Good luck, PB. Box 4. Triple threads. Yeah. Put that down there. Triple threads, box 4, 2014. Good luck, pal.
Last night, Gonzalez a good start with it today. 3-2, runner goes. Ball will be fouled away. The vicious running on the 3-2 is run away. Double play situation. He'll come down first. We'll do the 3-2 again. Gonzalez on the road, 6 years, 4-4, ERA of 4.5. About a half a run higher than his home ERA of 4.0. 3 balls, 2 strikeouts.
That's pretty thick. Empty. We're off. Good luck. What's up, RB? Let's save that one. Good luck. Peepeeteepee. Number to 25, Mike Schmidt. The lag is crazy. Polanco to 325. Ernie Banks. Albert Pujols. John Smoltz. First hit, Koji Uriara, number 9. Nasty patches.
He'll take the first pitch for a ball. Brian Kinsler on the year, 339. With runners in scoring position, one of the better
sick patches. Situations. Just a one color, number to 35, Adam Wainwright. This pack is monstrous.
He'll take another one. Kinsler rarely swings for the first pitch. The first pitch is ball 1. He rarely swings at the second unless it's a
no book. You got a thickie in there. Adrian Gonzalez, number to 250. Hanley Ramirez to 325. Clayton Kershaw. George Brett. Miggy. Chris Sale. Nice. Number 24 of 25. You got a triple. Chris Davis, Prince Fielder, and Edwin Encarnacion. Number 2 of 3. You got an extra hit. And auto. John Singleton, number 100. Sick. Loaded box right there. Congrats, pal. Loaded box.